Friends, our Strength card is card 8 of the Major Arcana, whereas our Justice card is card 11th of the Major Arcana, especially in the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. However, in some decks, the positions of the two cards are interchanged. As our Fool advances in his journey, he is sitting with uncertainty when he notices a blind, wise woman who is listening to two brothers. The rich brother has the whole inheritance, but as she carries out the judgment, she divides the complete inheritance equally between both brothers, the poor brother as well as the rich brother, despite each of them demanding to get the complete inheritance. She explains to the fool that the poor has a greater need and he will be less wasteful with the money. Whereas the rich one, even though he has the complete inheritance, he will stop being so wasteful with the money. They don't see it, but the decision is good for both of them. Friends, Justice card is about karma. It is about cold, objective balance. It is about bearing the fruit, reaping the fruit of our karma done in the past. It is also about respecting justice. It is about reason, legalities, fairness, decisions. But above all, it is about giving and receiving justice.